Bandit, you are in trouble. You got a nut by me, didn't you? A little pine nut. You brought it up here. I heard you from downstairs chewing, so I came up. And look at you, standing in the hallway chewing that nut. You're in big trouble. You know there's no food allowed upstairs. Bandit, I'm talking to you. Bandit. You better go to your room. You're in trouble. You're in big trouble. Give me that nut. Give me the nut. Look at that mess. Give me the nut. You're lucky. I was distracted earlier when you got by me. Alright, I'll let you finish it, but you're in trouble. No more nuts upstairs, okay? Alright, Bandit? No more nuts upstairs. You done? Alright, I'm going back downstairs. Go to your room. I'm going to come up and clean up that mess in a second.